Hey Go High learners, in this video we'll be discussing about an amazing app that is called Chattipati for workflows. Right now we are on the agency level. We have to find for the app marketplace from here and search for ChatGPT. Here it is. Let's get it installed from here. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose a MO. If you choose a MO, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic future installation from here. But right now we'll be just using our specific sub account, that is this one. Continue with that. And it is successfully installed from here. Let's get back towards our agency level. You can see it from here as well. Scroll down, you can find for the app section, and these will be functionalities in the conversation providers. You can use translate section. You can just change the tones of your script, simplify, make it shorter, longer, as you want your messages. You can also add more functionalities, the name and the prompt. You can enter the data here, save it, and after that you can just save the whole in the end from here as well. You can just customize these already made prompts from here. After that you can just delete them from here as well. But first you have to just copy the script and enter that into your settings in the company section, and after that you have to just click on this button as well to activate your ChatGPT app for your messaging provider or conversation providers. You can find for the settings section from here, click on it, and here we are. You can find for the company section, white label, scroll down, and you can find for the custom JS section, copy paste your script, save changes from there. As I've already entered the data and it is already saved, so that's why it is not allowing me to do that. So, but head towards the agency level back. And now we will be heading towards our sub account level on which we have installed. Here we are. You can find for the app configuration section for the second step. Find for ChatGPT. Here it is. Get your app configured. To do that, so you have to set your account for OpenAI, and in the settings for the developer sections, you can find for the API key, you will have to generate the secret tokens from there. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our OpenAI account, and as you can see, I'm in the settings, and in the navigation bar, you can see the API keys and generate your own secret key from here. Name it the project, and with the permissions you have to allow for all. Create, copy paste this script back in there to get your ChatGPT for workflows configured. Paste it here, submit, and now we'll be heading towards the conversation section in the sub account to check on for the functionalities we'll be using in our conversation providers. When you scroll down, and as you can see, like this will be the button for ChatGPT. You can translate in these kind of languages. You can use the tones. You can make it shorter or make it longer as well. It's up to you. So this is how amazing is that. Now let's move forward towards our automations to check on what value is being provided by ChatGPT for workflows. You can find it from here. We are in our workflow builder, and let's just check on what value is being provided by ChatGPT for workflows. Look at the variety of options we got for the actions that we can use in your workflows to create our own automations. You can just create assistant, you can create conversations, you can upload files, you can analyze image content with vision, analyze text, sentiment, check moderation, summarize text, write emails, create image with DALL-E. So much amazing things going on right now. You can use your own creativity and create your own automations. Let's just execute some of these actions and practically show how they work. So let's just move on. Here we are in our workflow builder again, and here you can see I have already created a workflow. In the top, I have entered the trigger for a form that somebody wants to offer a 30% off on their membership, and the client is interested in that. He fills the form, and after that, an image will be created with the del E. From here, with the prompt, with the model, with the size of the image, after that, you can write a customized AI email with this action write email. You will be using the same prompt or accordingly to the situation, the name, the email, from name. Then you can use the tokens, the temperature, the top P as well. After that, you will be heading towards the notes accordingly. Here I have used the custom values, the URL of the image, and after that I have used the right email message from here. And in the end, I will be heading towards a condition for that the club wants to have a visit for the client. So if the client visits the club physically, then after that, it will be a confirmation for the club that he is really interested. And after that, an email will be sent to the client that you are successfully heading towards your discount. And it will be a motivational subject. And here you can just enter the confirmation of your 30% off to the client. Save this one. Let's just test our workflows and head towards the execution logs. And in a moment it will be executed. Here you can see the actions with the nodes with the conditions are executed successfully, and after that you can see that here let's just check on what's inside the nodes and what is actually the results. We are in the sub account level, and in the context here we can check on what's inside the nodes. This is the URL of the image we have created with the email, and look how amazing is that. Just by using AI, the ChatGPT has done it very gracefully. So you can use your own creativity in this kind of situations. Let's head towards our next workflow builder. Here you can see I have also created another workflow. In here we will be using the create conversation action, and in the top I have used a trigger that somebody wants to have curious about the payment plans, and he has filled the forms. So after that, a conversation will be created from our ChatGPT for workflows. In here you will be using the message for that, the URL of the image for the payment plans, the instructions for our conversation provider. You can enter the tokens, the temperature, the topic. It will be also optional, totally up to you. According to the situation, you can use these. And in the notes, I have used the custom values again from ChatGPT for workflows, conversations, the message. All right, save this one. In the end, I have just use the condition that if the client is interested still in the payment plans, we will be sending him the email in the subject, and after that an email will be sent that we will be also moving forward towards the other plans for the next 3 months for the diet and the other such stuff that can be customized, and you can just reply with that email to just get more information. Save this one, execute, test our workflows with any of our contact. As you can see, this one is also executed successfully now with the notes, and just check on what the action has actually done in the notes. Right now we are again in the sub account level, and in the notes section we will be checking on for the conversation provider. Chat create successfully, and after that the AI will be responding accordingly to the payment plans. Let's move forward towards the other workflow we have created for the actions to execute them. In this workflow, as you can see, a NASA scientist has been giving information regarding his research for the sun, and he has just filled the form for that. He has submitted with that, and we will be using the action analyze image content with vision. In here, we will be entering the data, the image. You can just customize this message accordingly. We will be entering the image URL of that. You can also enter the tokens accordingly. And with next, we will be creating a assistant to assist with the scientist, and we will be just giving him instructions accordingly. And after that, we will be choosing the files in the drop down from here, and you can just use the metadata accordingly if you want, according to the situations. And in the end, we will be using the conditions that if the research is going in the right direction, we will be sending him with the email, the name, the email from the custom values, the subject line, that he will be appreciated for the things. And to motivate him, we will be using this subject line. And after that, that we do appreciate your efforts on the research and keep going. So congratulations. We have used the custom values from here for the message and the chat assistant ID as well, to have an assistance from the assistant basically. Let's just test this one. And as you can see, it is executed successfully with both of the actions, the analyze image one and the create is assistant one as well, with the notes. Now let's check on what are the results in the notes. The sub account level, you can check on the notes for the contacts. And this is the explanation from the assistant that is given by, look at this. This is totally amazing. And you can use your own creativity. That will be limitless for that. Hope you like this. Thank you guys.